One of the biggest mistakes people make when shopping for a used Mercedes is assuming depreciation automatically creates a bargain. A car that originally cost $100,000, $120,000, or even $150,000 can look incredibly tempting once the price drops into the range of an ordinary family vehicle. And that is exactly where many financial nightmares begin. Because while the purchase price may have fallen dramatically, the maintenance costs often have not. Some Mercedes models age gracefully and become smart used buys. Others continue demanding flagship-level repair bills long after their market value collapses. And that creates a dangerous trap for buyers who focus only on the price tag instead of the true cost of ownership. In this video, we will rank 4 Mercedes models that became financial nightmares after the warranty expired and explain why some of the most attractive deals in the used luxury market can quickly turn into some of the most expensive mistakes. Starting this list, we have the Mercedes-Benz CL550 C216 from model years 2011 to 2014. And this car perfectly illustrates why a low purchase price can sometimes be one of the most expensive warning signs in the luxury car market, because on paper, the CL550 looks like an incredible deal. It was originally one of Mercedes-Benz's most expensive Grand Touring coupes, packed with advanced technology, flagship comfort features, and the kind of engineering that targeted buyers who rarely worried about repair bills. Today, however, many examples can be purchased for a fraction of their original price, creating the illusion of a luxury bargain. The recommended configuration was typically powered by the 4.6-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with the 7G-tronic automatic transmission, producing around 429 horsepower. The performance remains impressive even by modern standards, and the cabin still feels remarkably luxurious years later. But the problem begins once the warranty protection disappears. The CL550 combines a complex V8 drivetrain, advanced suspension systems, expensive electronic modules, and luxury features that were extremely costly when new and remain expensive to repair today. Common problems include suspension failures, electronic comfort system malfunctions, oil leaks, cooling system repairs, and expensive turbocharger-related maintenance as mileage increases. And unlike smaller Mercedes models, very few repairs on a CL550 are inexpensive. Even routine maintenance often costs significantly more than buyers expect. Before buying one, the inspection should focus heavily on suspension operation, complete electronic diagnostics, service history, cooling system condition, and evidence of consistent preventative maintenance. Neglected examples can quickly generate repair bills that exceed the car's purchase price. And this is exactly why the CL550 opens this list. It is not a bad car. In fact, it remains one of the most impressive luxury coupes Mercedes ever built. The problem is that many buyers see the depreciation and assume the ownership costs depreciated too. Unfortunately, the repair bills often still remember exactly how expensive the car was when it left the showroom. Moving one step higher on this list, we have the Mercedes-Benz GL550 X166 from model years 2013 to 2016. And this is exactly the kind of SUV that attracts buyers with its incredible value on the used market, while hiding ownership costs that can quickly become overwhelming. Because when new, the GL550 was a true flagship luxury SUV. It offered 3 rows of seating, a powerful V8 engine, premium materials, advanced technology, and a level of comfort that competed with some of the most expensive SUVs in the world. Today, however, depreciation has pushed many examples into price ranges that seem almost impossible to ignore. The recommended configuration was powered by the 4.7-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with the 7G-tronic automatic transmission and Mercedes 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. Output sat around 429 horsepower, delivering effortless performance despite the vehicle's size and weight. The problem is that the mechanical complexity required to create that experience never became cheaper simply because the vehicle lost value. In real-world ownership, the GL550 can become extremely expensive once higher mileage begins exposing the wear associated with a heavy luxury SUV. Air suspension repairs are among the most common financial surprises, often accompanied by cooling system issues, oil leaks, electronic module failures, turbocharger-related maintenance, and expensive brake and tire replacement costs. The sheer size and weight of the vehicle accelerate wear on many components, turning routine maintenance into a far larger expense than buyers initially expect. Before buying one, the inspection should focus heavily on suspension behavior, cooling system history, electronic diagnostics, turbocharger condition, and complete maintenance records. A neglected GL550 can easily generate repair bills that rival several years of car payments on a newer vehicle. And this is exactly why the GL550 belongs on this list. It delivers a genuine flagship SUV experience, but it also continues carrying flagship-level repair costs long after the depreciation has convinced buyers they are getting a bargain. For many owners, the purchase price becomes the cheapest part of the entire ownership experience. At the midpoint of this list, we have the Mercedes-Benz GLC 63 AMG X253 from model years 2018 to 2021. And this is one of the most dangerous types of used luxury cars because it disguises its ownership costs extremely well. Unlike a flagship S-Class or a large V8 SUV, most buyers look at the GLC 63 and see a relatively compact luxury crossover. What they often fail to realize is that underneath the practical body sits one of the most aggressive AMG drivetrains Mercedes has ever installed in a daily driver. The recommended configuration is powered by the hand-built 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with the AMG-tuned 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. Output ranges from approximately 469 horsepower in the standard model to over 500 horsepower in the S variant. The performance is extraordinary. The problem is that extraordinary performance rarely comes with ordinary maintenance costs. In real-world ownership, the GLC 63 can become significantly more expensive than buyers expect once the warranty expires. High-performance brakes, expensive tires, advanced cooling systems, electronic performance components, and AMG-specific parts all contribute to ownership costs that remain extremely high regardless of the vehicle's depreciated value. Even routine maintenance often costs substantially more than many owners anticipate when purchasing a used example. Common issues include cooling system repairs, suspension wear, electronic sensor failures, turbo-related maintenance, and the accelerated wear that naturally comes from managing nearly 500 horsepower in a relatively compact SUV platform. And unlike standard Mercedes models, AMG-specific components often carry dramatically higher replacement costs. Before buying one, the inspection should focus heavily on maintenance history, cooling system condition, transmission behavior, brake wear, tire condition, and evidence that previous owners followed proper service intervals. A poorly maintained GLC 63 can quickly transform from a luxury performance bargain into a very expensive financial commitment. And this is exactly why the GLC 63 AMG belongs on this list. It is an incredible vehicle when everything works properly. But many buyers make the mistake of purchasing it based on the used market price alone. The reality is that while the vehicle may have depreciated heavily, the cost of maintaining nearly 500 horsepower worth of AMG engineering often has not. At the top of this list, we have the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT53 4-door X290 from model years 2019 to 2021. And this may be one of the clearest examples of a car that looks like a bargain on the used market, while still carrying the financial expectations of a six-figure luxury performance vehicle. Because when buyers see the depreciation, they often focus on how much money they are saving compared to the original sticker price. What they fail to consider is that the engineering underneath the car still belongs to a vehicle that was designed for customers who were never expected to worry about repair costs. The recommended configuration is powered by the turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six paired with Mercedes EQ Boost mild hybrid system, the 9G Tronic automatic transmission, and a highly sophisticated electronic architecture. Output sits around 429 horsepower, delivering impressive performance while maintaining the refinement expected from a flagship Mercedes. The problem is that all of this technology creates an ownership experience that can become extremely expensive once warranty coverage disappears. In real-world ownership, The AMG GT53 combines luxury car complexity, performance car maintenance, and cutting-edge electronics into a single package. Common issues include electronic sensor failures, suspension-related repairs, cooling system maintenance, mild hybrid system concerns, and expensive diagnostics when problems occur. Unlike older Mercedes models with more straightforward mechanical systems, modern flagship performance cars often require specialized repairs that can quickly generate four-figure service bills. The vehicle also contains numerous AMG-specific components, advanced driver assistance systems, and luxury features that are impressive when functioning properly, but expensive when they are not. And because many examples are now entering the age where mileage begins exposing wear on these systems, ownership costs can escalate much faster than buyers expect. Before buying one, the inspection should focus heavily on complete service records, electronic diagnostics, suspension behavior, cooling system condition, and evidence of meticulous maintenance throughout the vehicle's life. Skipping this step can turn what appears to be an incredible luxury bargain into a very expensive lesson. And this is exactly why the AMG GT53 sits at the top of this list. It remains a stunning vehicle with exceptional performance, technology, and road presence. But once the warranty expires, it can remind owners very quickly that although the purchase price may have depreciated, the cost of maintaining a modern Mercedes flagship performance car certainly has not.